Welcome to my channel.
Google Pixel Watch with 1.6-inch AMOLED display, 24-hour battery life launched. Google Pixel Watch debuted on Thursday during the Made by Google event alongside the Pixel 7 series smartphones. It is the first smartwatch released by the company and sports a bezel-less circular dial. The Pixel Watch has a 1.6-inch AMOLED display with up to 1000 nits of brightness and an always-on mode. This smartwatch is powered by an Exynos 9110 SoC, coupled with a Cortex-M33 coprocessor and 2 GB of RAM. It offers Bluetooth version 5.0, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and 4G LTE wireless connectivity options. Google Pixel Watch price, availability. The Google Pixel Watch pricing starts at $349.99, roughly 28,700 rupees, for the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi only model, while the LTE model along with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi will cost $399.99, roughly 32,800 rupees. The Wi-Fi only model comes in obsidian, hazel, and chalk colors, whereas the cellular variant is offered in obsidian, hazel, and charcoal color options. Google Pixel Watch specifications. Features: the Google Pixel Watch smartwatch has a 1.6-inch AMOLED touch display with up to 1000 nits of brightness. The screen has a pixel density of 320 ppi and gets an always-on mode as well. The Pixel Watch display has a circular dome design, which is protected by 3D Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, it packs an Exynos 9110 SoC, paired with a Cortex-M33 coprocessor and 2 GB of RAM. Google claims that the Pixel Watch has a battery life of up to 24 hours. It runs on Wear OS 3.5 that includes Google Assistant and health and fitness features by Fitbit. This smartwatch is also equipped with a heart rate sensor and an ECG tracker. The Pixel Watch offers multiple connectivity options, including Bluetooth version 5.0, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, 4G LTE, and NFC. This smartwatch is also compatible with the Find My Device app. It is said to be capable of withstanding water pressure up to 50 meters, thanks to its 5 ATM water-resistant design.